Good afternoon and welcome to the final conference of the year from the Board of Directors of Gem4Me Group, which was hosted on Tuesday, December 29th of 2020. My name is Oleg Lipovetsky and I will be translating on behalf of all the speakers today. Alexander Kachanovsky speaking. Good afternoon, dear colleagues and friends, and today we have a conference during which we will be discussing what we've been able to attain over the course of this turbulent year. At the end of today's conference, we will conduct the fourth stage of our New Year's lottery as well. Firstly, the year of 2020 was rather interesting, full of various events. Today, our conference will consist of several stages. Firstly, we will summarize the results of 2020 as we joined the highest league. Then, we will discuss the major strategy for a major application and the core plans for 2021. Also, we will go over the marketing for 2021 as Gem4Me will be spreading all over the world. We will also discuss how we were able to achieve this rate of success. And lastly, the promotions that you have never seen before with the New Year's Lottery of Success. To briefly summarize, the year of 2020 was rather successful for us. It was the year of our technological breakthrough as we were able to reach the higher league of applications of our kind. Of course, it has not always been this way. Over the years of 2016 through 2019, back when we just announced the initial creation of our messenger for a large amount of people, it was being developed over the years, and yet it was still not at the stage of being user-friendly and convenient in use. We were always asked when would we finally complete it and so on. I wanted to thank you all for having the faith and belief that we will not only finalize it, but also do so the right way. Our major amount of daily work by all the teams that work on our project led to us completing it. In 2020, we did it. This accomplishment was not instant. We were diligently working over the course of the whole year and there were continuous improvements happening. In the beginning of 2020, we created the technological foundation for the whole application on all three of its platforms. Having done so, the application erupted with new functionalities, and in a matter of just 1 year, we were able to add all of these functions depicted here, such as individual voice calls, group voice calls, group video calls, and individual video calls as well, categories of public channels, chatbot platform, and first bots, light and dark theme for the whole application, animated stickers, ability to change the font size, marketplace in United States and Canada, screen sharing functionality, video conferences, market space on the web version, voice messages, bot translator to 17 languages, and reactions to messages as well, and much more, as all of these in just 1 year. Moreover, we were able to reach the highest league of messengers. It's not too big, yet we've matched their functionality and even surpassed some in certain areas. This is yet another great achievement of ours over the course of this year. However, if you were to ask if there still will be objections, yes, there will be some, undoubtedly. Some may say that WhatsApp and Viber are just fine and satisfy all of their needs. They may be convenient and have a wide range of functionalities, yet when our Gem4Me Messenger offers conferences for up to 1,000 participants, video conferences and screen sharing, animated stickers, and other functionalities, it proves that our application continues to develop its own unique functionality that no other messenger currently offers. Moreover, some may say that there is already Zoom that offers conferences, so why would there be the need for Gem4Me? Well, Gem4Me allows to work all in one platform without having to leave the platform, unlike Zoom, as all of your documents and data remains on Zoom after your conference ends. With Gem4Me, it is all in one place. Some may say if it was to explode with popularity, it would have done so a long time ago. In reality, it is completely different. Any business takes time to explode. It goes through various stages and hard work that is not seen externally. Even with Twitter, after they've completed, it was not used by many for 3 years. It took Jack Dorsey 3 years to bring Twitter to the moment it exploded into what it is today. We will continue striving towards our goals as we are stubborn, we are fighters, and we will reach the finish line. Perhaps some may say that there are too many messengers in the world today. Even if so, the market sector of messengers is changing at all times. The market sector is not monopolized, and there are many players on the market, with the most recent news of Messenger Slack being purchased for $27.7 billion in December of 2020. This is the highest amount that a messenger was worth so far, and it depicts that there is much development and activity in this sector currently. Messengers are in much demand today. Slack had its own ace up its sleeve, and it is oriented towards business communities. We also do have our own ace up our sleeve, which is the fact that we are creating a messenger with a much broader functionality compared to current alternatives on the market today. And our unique functionality is Marketplace on the foundation of the messenger. To summarize, over the course of 2016 through 2019, we kept on working harder, attaining and bringing all of the features we set for our life in our application. As of today, in 2020, when downloading the application, users are able to experience all the notions that we worked so tirelessly on. Therefore, we've completed our messenger. It is now here and is in the high league. We will most definitely continue improving it and introducing new in-demand functionality on a continuous basis, as the core notions that we've promised were attained this year. So join us now, as it will get even better. Our next task for 2021 is to bring monetization to our application, which will lead to a major growth in its value and user base. And on this note, let all your plans, hopes, and dreams come true, while they get replaced with new aspirations, as life is empty without new challenges. Thank you for your time, as I am now passing the word to Valery Ostrikov, the member of the Board of Directors, who will continue our celebratory conference today. Valery Ostrikov speaking. Good afternoon, dear colleagues and friends, and let's now continue our celebratory conference today by discussing some theoretical foundations of our project and why it is profitable to develop IT projects in the current world situation today, as well as our plans for upcoming year of 2021. The present forms the future. Nowadays, investors are highly motivated to purchase stocks and invest in IT companies even if they are not generating profits, as they are purchasing the future that is developed by these IT companies. Modern scientific and technological progress is fueling the future. Social networks, artificial intelligence, messengers, marketplaces, all of these major platforms are the future, and their stock prices are literally skyrocketing as of now. Our company is privately owned, but is also a part of this major tendency. We are now living in the age of major transformation, both economic and social, with completely new rules and abstracts. IT companies are worth so much and have so much interest towards them, as they are offering limitless markets and capabilities. Our application and its commercial platform can be used by anyone in any part of the world with a smartphone. There are no political boundaries either, and the application is multi-capable. Anyone wishing to participate in this sector can still do so and catch the wave of major technological evolution that is happening right in front of our eyes. As the result, in 2021, we will be working on our main goal: to do everything possible in order to grow the user base to 50 million of users and increase the value of our application. The more users it will have, the higher the value it will be, as well as it will be receiving new in-demand functionalities continuously. We will be moving in the three main directions. Improvement of the messenger itself, most importantly in terms of public chats and conferences of up to 1,000 participants. Transferring of market space from testing phase to operating in 3 regions of the world starting in February, and new regions thereafter, as monetary transfers between users and other fintech capabilities will also be introduced. Marketing promotion of the project on various markets, as we've fully revamped our marketing campaign on all the platforms and means, with big changes to the team of marketing department as well. We will be predominantly working in CIS countries, North America, India, Indonesia, Japan, and certain other regions to further promote awareness of our application. Furthermore, we've increased our team of developers to 38 members all over the world and 8 new members to the marketing team, which depicts that we are moving in the direction of technological completion with more attention towards marketing and promotion. And in conclusion, given today's turbulent economic conditions, platforms are taking over the world and our platform will be no different. Ecosystems are the new technology that is in a very high demand today and continues to drive our society to the future. Ecosystems are used daily by billions of people and our platform will be no different. 2020 was a very profound year for our application and we will continue climbing higher in 2021. We wish you lots of accomplishments and great health, and on this note, I would like to thank you for your time, as these were all the notions that I wanted to cover today. I am now passing the word to Natalia Arshavskaya, the member of the Board of Directors. Natalia Arshavskaya speaking. Good afternoon, dear colleagues and friends, and let's now discuss certain strategic viewpoints of how we were able to get where we are today. If we were to be asked, how were we able to achieve this rate of success, and were we not afraid that we might fail? Well, being afraid is normal. Only the crazy ones are not afraid, and though when you truly believe in something, all fears tend to temporarily disappear on their own. When you do start, the whole world will be against you. You need to be ready for the period of hardship and obstacles, and in order to overcome them and survive, it is essential to focus on smaller tasks daily while striving to complete them faster and better. In order to be a successful startup, there also needs to be an end goal, proceeding towards the set goal despite the fact that the path will be challenging and winding. You will need to work 70 to 80 hours per week. And the project's goal must also be beneficial for others, including those people who are working alongside you to bring it to its completion. All participants must have a distinct interest in its realization. Criticism needs to be heard as well, and one's mistakes need to be admitted fast and corrected. This means being fully transparent with everyone working on the project. And it is also crucial to meet all of your duties. It is not always that one is able to attain everything within the set time frame, but it is most important to attain them, which is why we always keep on going until we attain. And lastly, it is impossible to get inspired by creating something mediocre. Perfection must be reached even with the most minuscule tasks. When you are fond of what you are working with and promoting, the growing satisfaction from the process itself will help you move ahead. And on the side note, 2021 will be the year of the bull. The year of the rat will be replaced by the year of the bull. This will be the year of major accomplishments and events, and each one of us will be able to attain that was dreamt of for a long time. A bull is a noble animal, although if needed, it can act fast. In general, it is best not to anger the bull. The upcoming year will be of a white metal bull. Metal speaks for its stability, resistance, and rigidity. The year will be maintained with trustworthiness, patience, and honesty. Those who do not have these qualities might anger the bull. A bull enjoys to work hard, and everyone who has the same quality is treated with utmost respect. This year will be beneficial for those who are working on their careers. Hardworking bull will be helping those who are ready to work truly hard. And on this note, I would like to thank you for your time and wish you a very happy holiday season, as these were all the notions that I wanted to cover today. I am now passing the word to Alexander Kuchnovsky, the member of the Board of Directors, who will continue our celebratory conference today. Alexander Kuchnovsky speaking. Let's now continue our conference with some traditional news and the fourth stage of our New Year's lottery as well. As part of our generous referral program each week, we summarize the results of the earnings and work conducted and the weekly earnings of those active partners. As you can see, the geography of those partners is widespread over the course of last week, including Canada, Indonesia, Japan, and some other countries. So we had 25 investors from 9 countries with more than 1,000 euro, 21 investors from 9 countries with more than 2,000 euro, 10 investors from 6 countries with earnings of more than 4,000 euro, and 4 investors from 4 countries with earnings of more than 10,000 euro in a matter of just 1 week. And our top earning partner of last week earned €33,600. What a great way to end the year. These are the average profitability rates of our projects for those partners who wish to earn not just when the project is finished and is sold, but also while it is currently being developed. Let's make these amounts more frequent over the course of the coming year, and we are confident that this is the time when big amounts can and will be earned. As a reminder, our schedule of conferences for the following few weeks is depicted on this slide, so be sure to submit any questions you may have in order for the board of directors, developers, and marketers to prepare diligent answers. Moreover, we've prepared another present for the holiday season. The Business Center now has a new section called Gifts, in which you can send a celebratory card, a business package, or even monetary funds as a gift to other partners and your teams. Let's now continue our conference by discussing the latest promotions that are in effect at this time, with some promotions coming to an end shortly. Firstly, the remaining amount of shares is decreasing rather fast, so be sure to take advantage of getting some at the prices that are current, and we have now broken the 1 million of remaining shares benchmark, and the prices are growing thereafter. The cryptocurrency cashback promotion is still available for your use. The Maximized Advantages promotion for your advantage is still available and can be used while the amount of complimentary shares is decreasing continuously, and the promotion will be ending on November 11th of 2021. Don't forget of our CCA 10 Powerful Surrounding promotion, which is also still available, although it is also coming to an end on January 11th of 2021, and it is a very profound promotion to use. The new Complete Your Career by the End of the Year promotion that will last until the end of this year to further advance you on the career ladder is also available until December 31st. Please note, the green color depicts the amount of shares that investors used to receive previously for closing new career qualifications for all the steps, while the yellow depicts the new and changed amounts through this marvelous promotion. And as you can see, previously you would receive an additional 810 shares for closing all the career steps, and now that number is much higher to further motivate your hard work, so be sure to take this extremely rare chance and boost your career. The bonus for the New Year promotion is also coming to an end, so be sure to take advantage of its profitable conditions while they are available, as well as the promotion is also getting an extended validity period with new bonus amounts until the very end of this year, and is now 30 additional bonus % until January 11th. Additionally, buyers of large packages also receive an encouraging amount of shares depicted on this slide. This will only last from November 30th through January 11th of 2021, and the shares are for buyers of large packages and their sponsors. Moreover, when purchasing any business package during the period of December 7th through December 31st, the uneven amount of shares is rounded up to the nearest whole number, and is a small yet pleasant surprise, so enjoy it while it lasts. And now, a very new promotion for our project. Receive an option for the shares, never seen before in our project. A buyer receives an option to purchase any packages of shares in February through March at a lower price per one share when making a purchase during the validity period of this promotion. When using the option, the sponsor receives up to 50% of shares and does not receive personal bonus. As mentioned before, the prices of shares are increasing, which you can see depicted on this slide here. As of December 29th, the prices of all packages increased by 8% and will be continuously increasing by 1%. Familiarize yourself with this table to be aware of the upcoming changes. And lastly, we are all very excited for the year of 2020 to be coming to an end, and we now have the traditional New Year's lottery with marvelous prizes for buyers and their personal sponsors to test their luck and celebrate. The lottery is conducted in 5 stages, and we wish everyone luck in the great New Year's lottery. While today we have the 4th stage, and we'll find out who the next lucky 8 winners will be. Firstly, let's read the reviews from the winners of last week's lottery stage. Tatiana Ferchenko from Samara, Russia, winner of an iPhone 12 mini. Hooray! I won an iPhone 12. What a present this is. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the board of directors for the contest, for the marvelous presents that continue bringing excitement and happiness. I would like to share this excitement with everyone. Thank you for your generosity and attention towards the partners. I wish everyone a very happy new year, which will definitely be very eventful for all of us. Lilia Nahaeva from Grozny, Russia, winner of an iPhone 12 Pro. I am truly happy to have joined such a company with major opportunities. Our company is the company of the future. A major gratitude to the friendly team of Satsitla Puchayeva and my own sponsor Lydia Dalgatova, who also won an iPhone. We thank the board of directors for such marvelous gifts for the new year, and we wish luck and major victories to everyone. Taisia Malaeva from Grozny, Russia, winner of an iPhone 12 Pro. I am very grateful to have joined our Gem for Me project. I've never won anything before in a lottery and never even thought it would be possible. When my name was called, I simply could not believe it. I thought it was a mistake. I am grateful to our amazing team of leaders and the board of directors. Thank you to all my mentors as well, Olga Khramova, Satsita Buchayeva, Saida Malaeva. I wish for everyone to test their luck in the lottery and win. And without any further ado, let's set off our fourth stage of the lottery, during which we will find the 8 next lucky winners who will take brand new devices with them at the end of this year. As you can see, the lottery prize fund is rather marvelous this time, and over the course of the whole lottery, we will gift amazing and modern devices to the lucky winners. And without any further ado, let's get right to the fourth draw. Traditionally, our first category is drafting prizes between those who purchase the Go packages, and the prize fund in this category is 2 Samsung Galaxy A41, a great and modern cell phone for conducting work on it. And let's find out who will be the first lucky winner of today, who will take the first device and the last device in this category. And it is Anna Ganashenko from Alexandria, Ukraine, and is very well deserved. Congratulations, Anna. Let's get now to the second Samsung, and the second winner today turns out to be Amalia Kim from Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Congratulations, and let's keep up the hard work, as well as we are looking forward to your reviews next year. Congratulations to the winners in the lottery today and in the lottery so far this year. And now let's move on to the second category, in which the gift is iPad tablets, a stylish device for buyers and sponsors of biz packages. Let's find out who will be lucky to take iPad of today's lottery, and the first one is taken by Yelena Butsikova from Khabarovsk, Russia. Congratulations, Yelena, and we hope you enjoy your brand new iPad next year. Let's move on to the second lucky winner of an iPad today, and Zubarzhat Alieva from Stavropol, Russia is the second lucky winner in this category, and that is very exciting to see. Congratulations to all the lucky winners so far, as your hard work has paid off and luck smiled at you right at the end of the year. And now our third category is for buyers and sponsors of premium packages with a prize fund of iPhone 12 mini, a fresh new gadget from Apple. Let's get right to it, and the first prize is taken by Lucia from Akhmedyanova from Ufa, Russia. Congratulations, Lucia, and let's move on to finding out the second lucky winner in this category today, and it is Oksana Prigoda from Samara, Russia. Congratulations, Oksana, on the great lucky win, and congratulations to all the winners in the category of the week so far. And now, let's get to the most prestigious category of prizes, which is for buyers and sponsors of Invest packages, where the prize is a brand new and stunning iPhone 12 Pro. Let's see who the lucky 2 winners of this gadget will be. Let's do the first iPhone 12 Pro, and it is Martin Fejtek from Prague, Czech Republic. A well-deserved victory for Martin. And now, the next prize of this year will be the next iPhone 12 Pro, which goes to Hiroko Nishikawa from Sakai, Japan. This is great, and we congratulate both the winners in the category and the 8 lucky winners of the end of this year, as well as we are looking forward to seeing the lucky winners of the next week next year. And on this note, I would like to thank you for your time and wish you profound weeks full of big earnings and accomplishments. We wish you a very happy new year with major accomplishments in 2021. Thank you for your hard work this year, and let's keep up the hard work in 2021. Thank you for your time, and until we meet next year.